Bitcoin broke out of the symmetrical triangle. Our price target is still around 107k approximately, and it looks right now we're cooling a little bit down. It's absolutely fine. What we will watch. So we will zoom in because I want to show you something what's very interesting, because a lot of people start shorting right now, but I want to show you something interesting, and we will speak also about Ethereum and about my over $5 million trades. One of them is 120k in profit, and other ones doesn't look so good. $8,000 in profit, 122k in a loss right now. But all of this in a second. So first of all, we zoom in from the daily. So our price tag is still around 107k. Let's check on the 1 hourly, and on the 1 hourly we permanently forming these bull flags. You see here, one bull flag, bam, perfectly worked out, reached price target. Now we have exactly the same bull flag again, once again, and the price target of this one, what a surprise, is exactly at around 107k. So I am expecting that we will go further to 107k. There are two scenarios which could happen. Either we are going right now to 107k, or we could possibly, before we are going to 107k, we could here see a retest of the symmetrical triangle going back to approximately 97k to retest it before we see another pump to 107k. If we are going to retest 97k, so this support line, then we could see even a bigger bounce to 110 or 120k, because remember, a lot of people forgot, when they're getting right now very bearish, they forgot that we have here a massive cup and handle. You remember this cup and handle which everyone spoke about, also here we on this channel, and the price target of this cup and handle was exactly, and now let's check again, we measure from the top to the downside, and the breakout of the cup and handle, the pessimistic one, was around 110k, and the optimistic one, what a lot of people spoke about, was around 120k. So I think, in my opinion, it's still in play. Especially what we have right now to watch is full moon, new moon. As I spoke the whole time, on new moon you see usually a dump happening. On full moon, a pump. The crazy thing is we have new moon, but we see pump happening. And I showed you previous bull run on new moon and full moon. In this time we had the same confusion. So what's interesting right now is, will we see maybe only consolidation and not a bigger dump anymore? This is what I also don't know, and I cannot tell you, but for now it doesn't look too bearish. For now it doesn't look too bearish. You still have to be careful. This is why I'm not opening a lot of position right now. But you see, okay, we on the 50-minute looks that we could cool down here to 100k, or even if this double top is working out, we could measure it from top to downside. We could cool down to 100k. But anyways, I expecting here that we will go further up to around 107k, as long, and the most important thing is that we're not breaking inside of the symmetrical triangle or breaking 94k. Ethereum is right now interesting to watch, because we broke over this monthly, on the monthly time frame, on the 4 years pattern. We broke out the technical price tag is $8,000. We clearly broke it to the upside. So I'm expecting right now Ethereum obviously to reach 4k. We are shortly before it, and as soon as we're reaching 4k, the upside is the next price tag would be 5,300. And the interesting part is, together with Ethereum, is the total 2. This is all the altcoins excepting Bitcoin. And on this chart, we are about to retest the previous all-time high from 2021. And right now, what I'm expecting here, as it was with Bitcoin, we're facing here some resistance between $1.6 trillion and $1.7 trillion market cap. So we could break inside and maybe see some consolidation, would speak for pump in Ethereum and Solana and Pepper. So all the altcoins which didn't pump in the previous, and Sui and so on, which not pumped in the previous in the last weeks, because we saw all the smaller altcoins or other altcoins exploding. So I'm expecting here Pepper to pump in the next days. I'm expecting here Solana again to pump in the next days. As you saw, for example, Solana had it's right now cooled down nicely. He broke out of the falling wedge, is heading here back to our price tag of $258. Probably Sui could see pump again, as we see Sui cool down, and there are also rumors that Grayscale is adding to their portfolio SUI, and we see also SUI is pumping and broke already our previous all-time high, so it looks nicely. Aptos I'm expecting also to pump this, so I'm long on Aptos. But still be careful. Aptos in this nice channel to the upside. Price target is $16, $28, and obviously there's a much higher price targets. But right now $16, $19, and $28. So this is why I'm long. And KDR also I'm very bullish on it. It's about to break our local all-time high 120k. IOS I'm bullish on. GameStop, and also here you see the Bitget. On Bitget Pepper right now $50,000 in a loss. Aptos $15,000 in profit, so it looks nice right now. Still, please be careful. As soon as this week is over, I think we have the worst past and we can expect full moon on the 15th of this 15th of December. Full moon start on the 1st. 15th we will have full moon, and heading to full moon we usually see pumps. So right now still maybe 1 day left, 2 day left of danger, but as soon as this week is over, for me the danger is over, and I will even add to my position, make them bigger. Thank you for watching, and kiss you and see you later.